Hey guys, so in this video I wanted to talk about planned maintenance on vehicles, what I'm doing for my vehicle, and why I'm doing it. Next video I'm going to talk about my goals for the rest of the year and also how I'm going to create them. So starting out, I'm 15% of the way done with the goals that I had for the rest of the year. And the reason why I'm at 15% and not a lot lower is because I actually did plan to make a video and I got it all filmed, and then my phone decided to say, no, I don't like those videos. So those are corrupted and I'm starting with this one. So today I rotated the tires. So this is my second planned maintenance on the car that I've done. So I have a Mazda 3 and I really like this car. So I want to make sure to keep it up, make sure that it's running smoothly and take the preventative measures that I need to keep it running for a long time. Now, rotating the tires consists of moving the tires into different places so that it gets even wear. It's not talking about actually rotating the tires as they go down the road. That just happens automatically. Although, in my case, it does it manually because I drive a stick shift. Please don't leave. So as I was looking up the way to rotate the tires, there's a couple of different ways that you can do it. It's based on your specific car. So whether it's a front wheel, rear wheel, or a four-wheel drive, the tires get worn differently and we want to make sure to even out the tire wear. In my case, I have a front wheel drive, and so I need to do what's called a front cross. So what you do is you take the front tires, you cross them and put them to the back. Then you take the back tires and put them straight up. So, pretty self-explanatory. So the right front passenger wheel now becomes the driver's side rear wheel. The driver's side rear wheel becomes the driver's side front wheel. Most places agree that you should rotate your tires about every 3,000 to 5,000 miles. Also, change your oil about every 3,000 to 5,000 miles. So if you do those two at the same time, it makes it really easy to remember when to do that. So, with that being said, I've been driving this car for about 15,000 miles and I haven't rotated the tires yet. Oops. So because I haven't rotated them in such a long time and I drive a ways every day, I've decided to rotate them. So a few things I learned while doing this project. One, always know where your tools are. It took me probably a good 5 minutes to figure out where everything was, and that was really kind of frustrating. Not that I didn't know that I had them, just I didn't know where they were. So always know where your tools are, and always know what tools you'll need for this specific job. Second thing that I learned is that I'm understanding more about my car, which is really kind of cool. Being able to look into the wheel well and see different aspects of the car, different aspects of the brake lines, the suspension, things like that I didn't really know before. And it's really cool to be able to learn things and be able to see things and see the application of what you're learning. So, now, this is the end of the video. Woo! So at the end of this now, I'm up to 28% of my goals for the end of the year. By the time this is uploaded, it'll be up to 31. Next video I'm going to talk about how I set the goals and what makes different percentages worth different amounts. So stay tuned and I'll see you next week.